Welcome to Better System Smart Parking application. Today I will going to explain the flow of smart parking application on the post device. There are two options for the same application, one for the operator, second for the admin. Now I'm going to log in as a smart parking operator. At the time of login, you have to select the shift. Now on the dashboard you have multiple options for the one for to make the entry of the vehicle and to generate the entry ticket, the second for the exit ticket. Let me tell you how to scan the ticket at the time of the exit. The parking fee is automatically calculated by the device. It found the vehicle details, everything. So if I want to print it, this is the complete detail of the vehicle when it enters to the parking, date, time, exit time, and the fee of the parking. There is an option, the additional option, if the user want to exit the vehicle without taking any parking fees, so they need to select the FOC. So this means free of cost, and if they want to enter some reason, so they can specify the reason and take out the print. So the cost of the parking is reduced to 0. Earlier it was 20 rupees, now it's 0. So it means the vehicle is exit with a free of cost option. So in the reports there is an option to find out how many vehicles are exit with the FOC option, and later on you have option for the two-wheeler history and four-wheeler history of the day. Suppose if the user somehow lost the ticket, there is an option to find out the ticket, and then there is a last option to end the shift by the operator. So let me start with the entry ticket. Here the user has to enter the vehicle number, so I'm trying to put some random number. I've selected a two-wheeler, print the slip, this is the ticket of the two-wheeler, where you can see the complete information of the parking, in time, date, vehicle number, vehicle type, it's a two-wheeler, and this is the unique QR code for each and every vehicle inside the parking. The rest of the information is optional. It's up to the parking management, either they want to print or not. And the same for the vehicle for four-wheeler. If you want to make a print for four-wheeler, choose it, and the ticket will be generated for the four-wheeler. Okay, now if we can see the 2 days history, so this is the ticket just generated by me, and we have an entry in the vehicle sales history. And the out, these are the vehicles that we have already out from the parking. They are in and out, the transaction is complete. So this is the vehicle where the transaction is not completed. It means the vehicle is still inside the parking. If you want to exit the vehicle from this option, you have to choose the print the receipt. Here the cost of the parking fees is automatically calculated. The parking fees, exit time, everything has been done by the application automatically. Now there is no vehicle inside the parking. The vehicle entries moves to the out because the transaction is complete. So similarly, the same thing for the two-wheelers and the four-wheelers. In the four-wheeler, sales and the same printing and in and out. Now if the person lost the ticket, you have to enter the vehicle number, and you can find it out from the vehicle number if the vehicle is took a ticket to the entry time or not. So the vehicle was present inside the parking. So in the database we found that there was a vehicle by the given number. It automatically calculates the fees and generate the ticket. If the user want to end the shift, there is an option. Do you want to end the shift? Yes. So the data of that particular shift is automatically exported to the device storage. So this is the application to see the reports. So these are the reports generated by of each shift. So this is the Excel file. You can see the ticket number, date, in time, out time, the parking fee is eligible or not. So the complete history of the parking sale is available with you. So this can be available in Excel file, or it can be available in PDF file. It's totally up to the choice of the user. So this is all about the parking application, and we are giving the option to our customer. They want to develop and customize application for other purpose rather than the parking. It can be done by our Roboto system experts. And if user want to make some kind of customization in the existing application, the parking application explained by me, that can also be done by us. For any inquiry, you can reach out on please go to our website robatosystems.com, and you can send an email, or you can contact us via WhatsApp or via mobile. Thanks a lot.